Guys, finally we got the famous Dubai chocolate. The Corona tried and this is I got the flavor kunafa chocolate with lotus.
And I got kunafa chocolate with Nutella.
So let's unbox it. So we're gonna unbox it.
That's basically we got this from Kacha and Chinna.
Yeah. Damn, looks good. Okay, I'm gonna do the classic break. Okay. It looks good. Okay, let me take a bite. It's actually worth the hype. It was so good. Nindya,